going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. If you like to listen to music and you like making money, this is the #1 app that you should use. It's also a website. You can use it on your computer, your laptop, or on your phone. That's the really cool thing about it. But you're going to get paid to leave reviews, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly how it's done. I'm going to give you 2 examples so you know exactly what you need to do and how to make money with it. So right here, you'll see at the bottom that little sign, the little writing on the pad. You'll click on that, and it'll take you to the reviews of music. Any song will pop up, and basically all you have to do is just write a review of what you think on the song. So right here, the song is going to start playing, and as it starts playing, just kind of start, writing what you think about it. So that's what I'm going to do here, just like as it's playing. But you have to make your review long enough to the point where that orange bar, you can kind of see under the pause sign, how it's kind of filling up. That orange bar has to be completely full, and you can't just type nonsense. You have to type the actual stuff to make it look like a real review. And also you have to listen to the song for at least a minute and a half before you can submit your review. So what I like to do is talk about the artist, talk about the production of the song, and just overall feelings of the song, not anything crazy, just an honest review. It doesn't matter if you leave a good review or a bad review. Just review the song, tell them what you think, just in this. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And then once this orange bar gets full and the song is played for a minute and a half, then I'm going to submit it. So let me finish submitting this review real quick. And also, you get paid really good money to do this. I'm going to show you how much I get paid after each review. They will show you. I stay on this app for a good amount of time just because the amount of money that I make with it. So like I said, now the orange bar is full. A minute and a half is almost up, so I just kind of wait for that real quick. And then when the minute and a half is up, then I will click next. It'll let me rate the song 1 through 10. So I'll just give it a 8 or 9. Just submit like that, and just wait for it to credit you, tell you how much you got. I got 28 cents for that review. So now I'm gonna go back to my home page just to see that my balance went up. It'll show you first the name of the song, whatever, because you don't get to know the name before. But you see my balance went up $3.23. It's just that simple. Now I'm gonna do another one just to show you that you can do this multiple times throughout the day until they basically run out of songs. Same thing, just writing a review. When it comes to the type of songs that you can review, one thing to keep in mind is when you create your account, they're going to ask you, what kind of genres of music you like to listen to. For me personally, just for the purpose of this app, I click all the genres. That way I get pretty much unlimited amount of songs to review, and in that case, really getting a lots of chances to make money with it. So you see on the last review, 28 cents in a minute and a half my time, very easy. And same thing with this one. So that's what I recommend. Just when you create your account, select all genres. You can also review other things on this app, like commercials, different clothing brands, things like that. I'm just showing you the music portion because that's where most of the money is. But this is a great website. It's been around for at least 10 years. I don't know how long it is, but at least 10 years. I've been using it for a very long time, so it's legit. They pay out every week, so all you have to do is have a $10 minimum in order to cash out, and you will never have a problem getting your money. They usually get it to you within a day or two from you cashing out. So just like that. Still writing this review, but I'm telling you guys, you must sign up for it. The link to this website is in the description. Like I said, it's on your web. You can go on your computer, go to the website that way, or you can download the app through the App Store, Google Play Store, whatever works for you. So when I'm done with this review, I'm going to submit it, and then I'm going to click next. And the same thing, just rate it, 0 through 10. Doesn't matter what you rate it, you're going to get paid, the same way. So just, honest review, and it'll show you how much you made, and it'll show you the name of the song and the artist and things like that, just so you kind of have an idea. Some of these songs, they are well known. They just want reviews on them anyway. Just review them. It's as easy as that. But again, 28 cents for that review as well. Going back to my account, see how much I made. My total is now I have $3.51. So that was just 2 examples of how to do it. Very easy to use, not difficult at all. Like I said, you can review mostly music, but from time to time they'll have little commercials on here that you can review. Clothing brands, different name brands, things like that. So very easy app. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Click on it, sign up today. It is completely free. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.